Some used cars look like absolute steals on the lot, until they strand you on the side of the road, drain your bank account, or worse, turn into a rolling fire hazard even when parked. Imagine thinking you just scored a killer deal, only to face nightmare repairs, surprise breakdowns, and safety scares that keep you up at night. In this video, we're exposing 19 used cars you should never buy, and I'm giving you stronger, more reliable alternatives that'll actually last. Stick around because the worst one on this list had a defect so dangerous it forced a massive factory recall. Let's dive in. Number 19, the 2016 Jeep Wrangler. Jeep Wranglers have that rugged, go-anywhere vibe that makes them icons for off-road fans, but the 2016 model hides some serious flaws that turn adventure into aggravation. Owners frequently deal with brake issues, premature wear, ABS malfunctions, and even sudden seizing that leaves the vehicle undrivable at the worst moments. Heavy rain. Expect water pouring into the cabin, creating musty smells and damaging electronics. Then there are the random electrical gremlins, headlights flickering on and off by themselves, horns honking for no reason. It's like the truck has a mind of its own. Skip it. Instead, step up to a Toyota 4Runner. Same capable off-road spirit but built with legendary Toyota durability, fewer surprise repairs, and rock-solid reliability that actually matches the hype. Number 18, the 2018-2021 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. Minivans are family heroes for good reason, tons of space, easy loading, and comfy highway miles. But the Pacifica Hybrid from these years carries hidden risks that make it a gamble. Chrysler issued massive recalls for electrical shorts that could kill the engine while driving, creating dangerous situations in traffic. Even scarier, fires starting near the high-voltage battery pack, sometimes while charging. Owners were told to stop charging and park away from buildings until fixed. Don't roll the dice, go with the Toyota Sienna. It delivers the same spacious, family-friendly experience with Toyota's bulletproof reputation, better safety ratings, and far fewer long-term headaches. Number 17, the 2017 Nissan Pathfinder. This midsize SUV promises V6 power and room for the whole crew, but transmission troubles hit hard around 40,000 miles, hesitation, jerking, and full failures that cost over $3,500 to replace. Four-wheel drive versions often develop leaking transfer cases leading to vibrations, noises, and eventual breakdown. On top of that, multiple recalls for brake fluid leaking into the ABS module created real fire risks. A much smarter pick is the 2017 Honda Pilot. Spacious, reliable, strong safety scores, and it actually holds up over the years without emptying your wallet. Number 16, the 2020 Ford Explorer. Once a bestseller, the 2020 Explorer saw sales tank nearly 50% because reality didn't match the hype. Early transmission failures caused shifting problems, stalls, and power loss, a serious safety concern. Structural recalls piled up too, loose bolts, bad welds, and seat belt issues that compromise crash protection. Choose the 2020 Mazda CX-9 instead. Smoother ride, thoughtful interior, excellent safety tech, and far better long-term reliability. Number 15, the 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Even recent Grand Cherokees come with big red flags. Jeep recalled hundreds of thousands of plug-in hybrids, including the 4Z versions, for fire risks even with the ignition off. Steering components could fail without warning, and suspension parts might detach while driving, leading to total loss of control. For a capable SUV with real peace of mind, look at the 2020 Kia Telluride. Roomy, upscale, strong safety ratings, and a reputation for actually delivering on reliability. Number 14, the 2019-2022 Chevrolet Cruze. These compact cars seem practical on paper, but transmission hesitation and jerking make daily driving frustrating. Electrical gremlins plague the infotainment, freezing screens, unresponsive controls. Multiple recalls hit airbags and fuel systems too. Ditch it for the proven Toyota Corolla or Honda Civic. Both crush it on fuel efficiency, bulletproof reliability, and resale value. Number 13, the 2024 BMW X5 Plug-in Hybrid. Luxury and performance are BMW hallmarks, but this hybrid brings starter motor overheating risks, leading to electrical overloads, water pump short circuits, and battery charging headaches that kill range and efficiency. If you want premium hybrid vibes done right, choose the 2020 Volvo XC90. Refined, safe, and far more trustworthy in real-world ownership. Number 12, the 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Elegant and fun to drive, but steering vibrations from quick alignment loss, panoramic sunroof leaks, and fueling issues from faulty charcoal canisters add up fast. This model faced 19 separate recalls. Step into the 2018 Lexus IS for luxury that actually lasts, with tighter build quality and fewer surprise repairs. Number 11, the 2016 Hyundai Sonata. Hyundai makes some great cars, but this Sonata stands out for the wrong reasons. Excessive oil consumption can lead to engine damage, the 6-speed transmission slips and jerks, and paint peeling exposes metal to rust. Go with the 2016 Toyota Camry or Honda Accord, smoother, more durable, and built to go the distance. Number 10, the 2023 Tesla Model 3. Teslas dominate EV sales, but the 2023 Model 3 shows build quality issues. Panel gaps, loose trim, water leaks, stiff suspension that gets harsher over time, and faster than expected battery degradation. For a used EV, consider the Tesla Model Y or Hyundai Ioniq 6, better execution and real-world refinement. Number 9, the 2018 Land Rover Range Rover. Luxury at its finest on paper, plush ride, powerful engines, but electrical failures, glitchy infotainment, and air suspension breakdowns before 60,000 miles turn it into an expensive headache. Repairs cost a fortune. Choose the 2018 Lexus GX for luxury SUV capability that's actually dependable. Number 8, the 2023 Lucid. This electric sedan promised to take on Tesla with amazing range and tech, but software glitches, freezing screens, misaligned panels, and rattles disappoint at this price point. Resale is uncertain. Stick with the 2023 Tesla Model S, proven ecosystem, better support, and stronger reliability track record. Number 7, the 2020 Lincoln Aviator. Great looks but harsh transmission shifts, failing electronics, dashboard blackouts, frozen screens, and air suspension issues make it unstable and expensive to maintain. Poor reliability scores back this up. Consider the 2020 Volvo XC90 for luxury comfort without the constant repair drama. Number 6, the 2016-2017 Kia Optima. Stylish and efficient at first, but these years were hit hard by massive engine failure recalls, sudden power loss, knocking, and breakdowns well under 100,000 miles. Transmission and electrical problems compound the pain. Pick the Mazda 6 instead, engaging to drive, reliable, and holds value better. Number 5, the 2021 GMC Yukon. Big, bold, and tech-loaded, but the 10-speed transmission fails early with harsh shifts, while electrical gremlins affect screens, cameras, and sensors. Push-button shifters can leave you stuck. For a full-size SUV that delivers, choose the Toyota Sequoia, tough, reliable, and built to last. Number 4, the 2021 Ford Bronco Sport. Adventure-ready on the surface, but jerky transmissions, oil leaks, carbon buildup, and overheating in the turbo engines lead to early failures. Electronics are flaky too. The 2020 Toyota RAV4 is the smarter adventure companion, capable, dependable, and far fewer issues. Number 3, the 2020 Dodge Journey. Spacious and affordable, but the underpowered 2.4L engine struggles, the transmission fails early, interior materials feel cheap, and safety ratings are disappointing. Upgrade to the 2020 Honda CR-V, roomy, efficient, safe, and actually reliable. Number 2, the 2019 Toyota Cycar. Sleek looks hide a weak 2L engine, sluggish CVT, front-wheel drive only limitations, cramped rear seats, and limited cargo space. Choose the 2019 Honda HR-V for better power, available AWD, and practical space. Number 1, the 2020 Fiat 500X. Walk away immediately. Constant electrical problems, weak transmission, underpowered engine, cheap cabin, loud ride, and terrible resale. Fiat pulled the plug on it for good reason: low demand and shared issues with the discontinued Jeep Renegade. Get the Honda HR-V instead for a compact SUV that's actually enjoyable and dependable. And that's our list of used cars to avoid at all costs. If this helped you dodge a money pit, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with the worst car you've ever owned. I read every single one. Check out the next video for the best cars you can buy when you're on a budget. Drive safe out there.